Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the Winky Lux Mermaid Kitten palette. This is so adorable. Thanks to Marilyn. This is so cute and I love the color story. So beautiful. We have Sand Dollar, Seafoam, Topless, Pink Sands, Ursula, Under the Sea, SIREN, Seaweed, and Treasure. So that is that up close. I don't know if you can see the letters. Going in with Pink Sands. This matte pink is going in the crease. So Marilyn got this palette for me for Christmas and it's super adorable. I really do like kittens and mermaids, so this is super cute. And I never tried Winky Lux before, so I am very excited about it. I love the color story. Going in with Seaweed, this matte green. Going in the outer portion of the eye. Very pigmented. And I'll leave her channel down below. She's a really good friend. And we talk like every day, so I'm so happy to be friends with her. She's really nice, sweet person. I use Under the Sea next. The shimmery blue. Just like next to the green. Right there. I'm gonna go in with this green right there. Oh wow, this came off more pigmented than the blue and it's so beautiful. Just going next to the blue. I'm gonna go in with this pink right here. This is Topless. Just going in next to the teal. Going in with Seafoam right here. This beautiful shimmery white. I think it has like flecks of pink purple. Very cute. Just going in and filling it in where I put my white eyeliner on. In the inner corner. I'm going into Ursula right here, this purple. Underneath the lower lash line. Going in with a Treasure right here, this gold color. Just probably like the center of the under eye. Now I want to go into Sand Dollar right here, this champagne color. And just filling in the rest of the under eye. So I wanted to use all the colors. Just like a little spot left. And here is the finished look. I really do love the finished look of this eyeshadow palette. Thank you, Marilyn, so much for this. This is so adorable. And here's the back of it. Super cute. I love the color. I love the color story. Very pigmented. I love it so much. Super cute. I love it. So yeah, go check out her channel. I'll leave her channel down below. And I think this is beautiful eye look. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.